Find or read reviews that people are talking about Laoziniu Military Smart Watches for men. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Convenient Bluetooth calling. This Bluetooth smartwatch is equipped with Bluetooth calling function. We can use the watch to answer, hang up, make calls, receive SMS, and can receive every notification in time. In addition, after connecting Bluetooth, you can also use the watch to play music, check the weather forecast, find your cell phone and so on, which is convenient and practical. Extensive sport modes. This sports smartwatch for men has more than 100 built-in sports modes: walking, running, swimming, hiking and other activities. A variety of options to adapt to the needs of different groups of people, smarter record of the data of the exercise, such as calories, steps, elapsed time, and more. But also can be compared with the last exercise data, very suitable for sports or outdoor adventure crowd. Waterproof and rugged material. This men's smartwatch is made of special composite material to make it more rugged. It is also equipped with IP68 waterproof function, so you don't need to take it off no matter swimming or rainy day. The outstanding material and its performance make it a good choice for outdoor sports. Ultra-large capacity battery. The battery of this smartwatch has done an upgraded version with more capacity and longer life. The battery has a capacity of 580 mAh, which can last for a week and extra long time, and it only takes 1.5 hours to charge, which is more convenient and quicker. The large capacity battery is more suitable for people traveling, outdoor camping and sports. More functions. The men's smartwatch has a variety of useful functions with multiple styles of dials to switch between, including alarm clock, weather forecast, remote photo, music player, and more. In addition, it has the function of finding your cell phone, which can help you find your cell phone, and make daily activities easier. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.